Imagine cruising down a scenic mountain road, the wind in your hair, the sun warming your face, and all your travel essentials packed neatly behind you. Not in a bulky RV or a traditional camper van, but in the sleek, futuristic form of the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV. This is not just a mode of transportation. It's a lifestyle revolution, blending freedom, sustainability, and innovation in a way we've never seen before. This three-wheeled wonder is turning heads across the world. At first glance, it looks like a high-tech trike with a purpose, but look closer and you'll discover a complete mobile living solution, engineered for the adventurous spirit. The 2026 Camper Tricycle RV is compact, yet incredibly efficient, offering everything you need for life on the road without the bulk of a traditional motorhome. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even digital nomads looking to explore the world on their own terms. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, this camper trike is powered by a hybrid system combining electric and solar energy, making it one of the most eco-friendly RV options available. The integrated solar panels charge the battery throughout the day, giving you the freedom to camp off-grid for days at a time. Say goodbye to gas stations and hello to clean, green energy wherever you ride. Inside, the Camper Tricycle RV surprises everyone with its clever use of space. The interior transforms depending on your needs. A cozy sleeping area folds out at night, and by day, it becomes a compact dining or workspace. There's storage built into every corner, a small kitchenette with a portable stove and water system, and even a compact shower and toilet setup. It's tiny living done right, with no compromise on comfort. One of the standout features is its modular design. Need more storage? Add an extra trailer pod. Traveling with a friend? Link up two trikes to form a mobile camp. It's all about customization and flexibility. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or winding through mountain passes, the tricycle's maneuverability makes it incredibly versatile. Technology plays a major role in making this vehicle not just a camper, but a smart RV. A central touchscreen control panel manages everything from lighting to temperature and power usage. Voice command functionality and app integration allow you to plan routes, find nearby campsites, and check energy levels with ease. It's like having a personal assistant built into your travel companion. Beyond the features, the Camper Tricycle RV represents a shift in how we think about travel. It's not about rushing from one place to another. It's about the journey, the freedom to stop whenever inspiration hits, and the ability to live minimally but meaningfully. It's perfect for those who want to experience more, consume less, and explore places regular RVs just can't reach. As the travel world evolves, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV is not just keeping up, it's leading the charge. It challenges traditional ideas of what an RV should be and opens up new possibilities for a new generation of travelers. This is more than a vehicle, it's a movement, and the road ahead has never looked more exciting.